Welcome back. In this video I will guide you how to insert Chinese Yuan in Excel. For this you need to select the data range and then right click and click on the format cells. In the format cells under the number tab you need to click on the currency, and in the symbol you need to drop down this arrow and select the Chinese Yuan from the list. And here it is. You need to select it and click. You can increase the decimal places here from 1, 2 or 3, whatever you want it. It's up to you. And click OK to proceed, and here it is. If you want to insert the Chinese symbols only, for this you need to put the equal sign and type unit char and type, open the bracket and 165 and close the bracket, hit enter, and here it is. So this way you can easily insert Chinese Yuan in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.